might have a situation when you want to number of pages is Roman numerals and ordinary numbers. So we need to know how we break the pages so that other pages can be ordinary numbers and other pages can be Roman numerals. So we're going to use this document. You see this document, we have the table of contents here and we've got the list of figures. So what I want to do is to make sure that the table of contents and the list of figures are in Roman numerals, right? Okay. So what I do, I come to any of the pages, then I insert the footer. So the first thing is to insert the footer. So let me just come to list of figures, right? And I go to insert, I go to footer, then I select the footer that I want, this one, okay? Then I can close the head and the footer. Okay, so what I want to do is to make sure table of contents and list of figures are in Roman numerals. But if you see, table of contents is page number 1, ordinary numbers, up to page 14, which is their references. So what I would do next is to come to list of figures because my Roman numerals, I want them to be page 1 and 2. So they're ending on list of figures. So I come to the bottom of the page, then I go to layout, then I go to breaks, then I go to next. So what I've done just now is to break page number 2 and page number 3, right? So when I've done that, it's now possible that I can number page 1 and 2 as Roman numerals. So what I do, I come to the bottom of this page, which is list of figures. Then I go to insert. Then from insert, I go to page number. On page number, I select format page numbers. From that, I select number format. Then I choose the number format that I want. And here I'm looking for Roman numerals. And I want to start from 1. This. Then I click OK. So you see that my table of contents and my list of figures, they're now Roman numerals, right? But the next page, which is company background introduction, they are in ordinary numbers and it's page 3. So it's counting from the first page, page 1 to 3. But now I want to change this page to be ordinary numbers, but starting from 1. Okay, because maybe um, the essay or the assignment requires us to write maybe 10 pages, 12 pages, excluding the table of contents and the list of figures. So I want to start my numbering from page 1, right? So what I'm going to do is to come to the bottom, like maybe I can click here, then I go to insert again, then I go to page numbers, then I select format page numbers, then now number format, I choose the ordinary numbers. Then start, I choose 1. Then I say OK. So you see, my pages are now starting at 1. So if I scroll up here, you see that I've got paging. The first page with the table of contents in Roman numerals, list of figures, Roman numeral. Then company background. This is now my essay. It's starting from page 1. If I scroll down, you see that here we are having page 10, right? So that's all. Now, maybe you just want to be precise that the whole of your essay, the body of your essay is in ordinary numbers, and the references are also in Roman numerals. You can just also come here and you also click layout, breaks, next. You have also put a break between page 10 and page 11. Then you want to now number the references in Roman numerals. You go also to insert, back to insert, then you select page number, then you select format, then you select maybe you want to put them as Roman numerals, and maybe you want to start from this one, or you want just to continue from page 10, like that. That's okay. So you see, this is page 10, then page 11. See, it's now in Roman numerals. So that's how we go about the process. So in the next video, we're going to illustrate how we insert the table of contents and the list of figures, list of tables. Okay. So if you want to get more for videos, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you.